मैं ऐसे मिल लूंगी तुझे, ठीक है? हाय, हाय शिवी। Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, tell me,
Hi,
what
ma'am.
would you buy if you get lot of money?
Ma'am, Lamborghini.
Lamborghini चाहिए, चलो good. Hi Sneha. Hello.
Hello.
Hi beta, tell me, what would you buy if you get lot of money?
Ma'am, I will buy a laptop.
Laptop, which one?
Apple.
Apple, MacBook चाहिए, चलो, that's amazing, that's amazing. All of you tell me in the chat box, what would you buy if you get a huge amount of money? Not like, I would not say any number. अगर आपके पास बहुत पैसा आ गया तो क्या करोगे? Laptop, okay. Labubu, यार Labubu fans are still there. Okay, whole world you would buy. House, okay. House is a good word. Elon Musk, Airbus, okay. Save for the future. क्या बात है यार. Ticket to our home. Okay, चलो, let's start the class. So yes, a very good evening, my dear super kids, my dear bacha buddies. Welcome for the last science session of this week, right? So first of all, सच बताओ, this week you had 3 sessions. Out of 3, 2 of them are science sessions. So how happy you guys are feeling, right? I took the session day before yesterday, and today I'm to hey vale vale. Yay! Exactly, right? I'm so super happy to meet you guys. 3 में से 2 क्लास मुझे मिल रही है तो आई एम सो हैप्पी. हु सेड नॉट हैप्पी? जस्ट अ सेकंड. कौन है वो? समर्पिता सुरु लवर, यू आर नॉट हैप्पी? देन यू हैव रिटन सुरु लवर आल्सो. ये क्या बात है? हाँ. ओके फाइन, चलो. So if you ask me, ma'am, what will you do if you get a lot of money? Yeah, I'll definitely buy a house. Okay, yeah, this is one of my dream to get your own house, right? Yes, वो करूँगी मैं, ठीक है? So today we will be having Olympiad battle, guys. All the questions are from your NSO, right? Force, work and energy, chapter 6 we are going to start. Let's try to give our maximum. Questions तो है मेरे पास. Can we get legendary today? Is that possible? Because these are not easy questions, right? These are all NSO questions. Can we do that? Can we take it as a challenge? Ma'am, NSO questions हो तो क्या हुआ? हम तो legendary लेके आएंगे. Done? Can we do that? चलो, then let's start with our welcome coins, guys. Everybody. करेंगे, ट्राई तो करेंगे. आई एम देयर फॉर यू, यू आर देयर फॉर मी. टुगेदर वी विल डू दैट. ओके, चलो, लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट विद लास्ट क्लास रिविजन. In the last class, we completed the chapter force, work and energy. The last part, energy transformation, right? So very, very important part. I have given some examples here. So what is energy transformation? There is a change of energy. Okay, one form of energy into another form. Again, I am telling, you might be telling me, ma'am, कितने बार बोलोगे? But बहुत important है बच्चों. Again, I'll be telling, energy transfer means same energy. Suru ma'am from Bengaluru will go to Suru ma'am to Uttarakhand. Suru ma'am will be Suru ma'am only. But what is energy transformation? Change. Suru ma'am will get changed to Suru sir. Okay, there is a complete change of energy. That is energy transformation. Okay, we learned about certain examples. TV, that is television. So in TV, when you turn on the switch, that is electric. Current energy gets changed into sound energy and not heat, but it should be light. Sorry. So from TV, we get sound and the light, right? After that, bicycle, like pedaling, ding, 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 like that. So we eat the food to get that energy, right? So in food, we have chemical energy, and while pedaling, you are moving the cycle. You're moving the cycle, you're changing the position. So that is mechanical energy, mixture of potential and kinetic energy. After that, electric generator, as the name suggests, electric, that means current is used. So electric energy is changed into light and heat energy there in generator. Okay. After that, electric toaster, again the name suggests electric. Electric current is changed into heat energy. We can heat the bread. After that, running car. In car, we put petrol, diesel or something like that. That is chemical energy. So chemical energy is there in our food, petrol, all the type of fuel, and what is that? Battery cell. Everywhere we have the chemical energy. Here it gets changed into mechanical energy because running car means change in position and movement is also there. And last but not the least, torch, right? In torch, we have battery cell. So there again, chemical energy is getting changed into light energy. Yaad hai sabko? Everybody, you remember this? And your homework accuracy was also good, bachcho. That means you understood it. Yes, right? Homework mein aapne sahi kiya hai. That means you understood it, right? Chalo. So what is important for your fill in the blanks? For your fill in the blanks, light is important. Okay, this word is important for you. Fill in the blanks. Done hai? Chalo. So choose your quiz partners, guys. Aaj jaldi se choose your quiz partners. Let's start because today's class is NSO based class. Okay, तो थोड़ा सोच समझ के choose करना quiz partners को, because it is going to be the tough fight, guys. Tough fight रहेगा. हाँ. Okay. सुरु दादी, अच्छा दादी के साथ लड़ोगे तो you think दादी will lose the game? No, I won't. Okay, चलो. Okay, fine. I hope all of you have chosen your quiz partners. Let's start, guys. All the very best. Here is your first question. All the best. When you switch on the fan, it starts rotating, right? Not only table fan, even the ceiling fan. Agar turn on karoge, switch on karoge, then it will start rotating. What energy change takes place here? What energy change means transformation? Which energy transformation is happening here, right? So very simple question, bachcho. You turn on the fan, matlab idhar current de rahe ho aapko. You're giving the current, and the fan, the blades, that will start moving. That means movement is also there and position is also changing. Blade ka jo position hai wo bhi change ho raha hai. So what type of energy transformation? All the best, guys. It will be the normal question, not a coin question. I should have given this as coin question. मुझे लगा first question है, so I thought I'll give it as normal question. कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. I have many questions today. Let's see. Last 10 seconds, guys. ठीक है? Good going till now. What is the correct answer? When you switch on a fan, it starts rotating, right? What is the correct answer here? Of course, here the correct answer would be option number A, electrical to mechanical energy. You're giving the current energy, and from that current energy, the fan starts moving and the position changes. So that is mechanical. Understood, everybody? Easy tha? Chalo, let's go to the next question. Let's be quick today. A solar calculator. How many of you have seen solar calculator? Normal वाला calculator नहीं. ये जो with cell हम use करते हैं ना वो नहीं. There will be a calculator. In future you will be having that. You just have to keep it under sunlight. वो charge हो जाता है. Yes, solar calculator. Yes, you can ask your elder brother or elder sister. Like once you go to science stream in future, you have to buy that calculator. Okay. A solar calculator works because it changes dash energy into dash energy, right? I already told you because of sunlight it works. So light energy is getting changed into which energy? Already I gave you the clue, right? Already one part I have already told. Because from sun we get light energy. Because of the light only that calculator actually works. But light energy is getting converted into which energy? That you have to tell. I hope you understood. So I'll give it as a coin question. All the best. First part is light energy, बच्चों. आधा आंसर तो मैंने बता दिया है. Ma'am, have you used it? Yes, of course, because I took science stream, right? Like in 11th and 12th, you have to buy a solar calculator. Last 10 seconds, guys. Okay, Tejashree. Yes. What is the correct answer here? Yes, here the correct answer would be option number what? Option number A, that is light to electrical energy. Okay, you just have to keep not this calculator actually, ye wala nahi. There will be a solar calculator. You just have to keep it under the sunlight. वो charge हो जाएगा because of the light. Okay. Third question, of course, that is going to be your fill in the blank question. In a flashlight, chemical energy from the battery is transformed into dash. Not only flashlight, even in the normal torch light, ye jo torch light hai, here we are putting battery. Battery, of course, has chemical energy, right? So this energy is getting changed into what energy? What are we getting here? Ye dekho, right? If I turn on the torch, what are you getting? So this will be your answer. So I'll give you the clue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters you have to type, and all the 5 letters are chotu letters because blank is at the end of the sentence. Okay. First letter is small l. Ye L hai, theek hai? And last letter is T, small t. Okay. L and T. T. All the best, guys. In flashlight, which energy are you getting? Already answer is in the question. Agar sahi se dekhoge, answer is already given in the question, guys. Smart enough you are. And Judith, it was your birthday today, beta. Happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday, Judith. Lots and lots of love to you. God bless you. Yes. And whoever is celebrating birthday today, lots of potato hearts from Suru ma'am. Love you all, bacho. Last 15 seconds, everybody. Last 10 seconds. That's it. Today's quiz partner winner will be the science champions for sure. क्योंकि आज का quiz खतरनाक quiz है guys. You will love that, okay? What is the correct answer here? Of course, here the correct answer will be from battery, that is chemical energy, we are getting light energy. So answer would be light. Understood everybody? समझ आया? Congratulations to all the master tag winners, those who didn't get. As usual, cherry on the top question for you guys. Okay, easy है ये भी. An electric heater converts dash. First of all, tell me, do you guys know what is electric heater? How many of you have this in your home? I think in north side, North India में बहुत सारे घर पे ये होगा. बहुत ठंड लगती है. But I have also bought one electric heater for me because मुझे भी बहुत ठंड लगती है. ठीक है? So what happens during like for summer we have AC, which keeps the room temperature cool. But for winter we have electric heater, which will keep the temperature a little warm. Okay. What energy transformation is happening here? Already one part is given. Electric heater means we are using electrical energy here. Right? And second part is already in the question, heat. Dono answer question me, electric and heat. So what energy transformation? All the best, guys. Dekho, answer is already in the question. You just have to be smart. That's it. Electric heater. I was expecting 100% guys, but कोई बात नहीं, कभी कभी हो जाता है, misclick, कभी कभी हो जाता है, network issue. I know that. It's okay. Last 10 seconds, guys. That's it. Very good. Still good accuracy, okay? उल्टा पलटा कर लिया आप लोगों ने. Some of you selected option B. No, option B is ulta because once you turn on the current, right? First you're giving the electric energy that is getting changed into heat energy. Okay, answer should be option A. Very few of you have selected this. ये उल्टा हो जाए. ठीक है? समझ आया? Everything about last class is it clear, बच्चों? About all the energy transformation. If I ask you, if I give you any device, you should be able to identify which energy transformation is happening. I hope it is clear. पक्का ना? Transform means change. ये वाला. Transition videos. Okay, before I tell about today's goal, bachcho, yes, tomorrow you have your foundation class. Last Sunday it was holiday for you, but this Sunday it will be like IMO paper discussion. Okay, we are not taking any chapter tomorrow, kind of mock practice for you guys. Previous year Olympiad paper will be discussed, so make sure you join the class with Ramesh sir. Tomorrow 11 a.m. Done? Yes, it is IMO practice, bache. Paper discussion, previous year question discussion. Okay, chalo. Then what will be our today's goal? Today, as I told, we will try to get NSO legendary. I know difficult questions hoga, but try to karenge, hai na? Hum saath hai to kuch bhi kar sakte hain. And also for the taste test, we need to have a glass of milk. I hope all of you have informed your parents, right? End mein hame kya chahiye? A glass of milk, okay? Okay, and there is a special picture which I would like to show you at the end. So make sure you remind me at the end. Done? Chalo fish. Start kare bachcho. Yes, force, work and energy. I'll quickly give you the short revision. एक छोटू सा revision होगा. After that, again the questions will be there. Okay. First of all, remember force chapter, right? You remember I told you, like if I'm sitting here, you come and push me, or you can come and pull me. I will start moving like this. So what is force? Force is directly related to motion. Motion is nothing but movement, right? So there are three forms which we studied: push, pull, and hit. ये याद है बच्चों? How many of you remember this? Push, pull, and hit. Do you remember this? Yes. Push means away. छी यार जाओ तुम. Go away. This is push. Pull means towards. Okay, you are pulling something towards you, like this. And hit is, you remember labibi. Push and pull for the fraction of second. Here both will be there. Okay, push and pull for the fraction of second, that is it. Yaad aaya but sabko? Yes, you remember I hit my labibi like this. Aise mara tha maine. Push, pull and hit. After that, we studied effects of force. I gave you the clue there. MSD, SSS, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Surbhi Shankar Shetty. No. Force can move the object. If I'm sitting here, if you put some force, I can be like, I can move like this, right? Force can stop the object also. If a ball is coming near you, you can stop that ball just by applying some force. And force can change the direction. if a ball is coming from the left side, you can kick it and change its direction to the right side, right? If you apply some force, you can change the direction of the object. And force can change the shape of the object. ये वाला श्याम force लगा दिया, ये देखो इसका shape कैसे हो गया, right? It can change the shape. Force can speed up the object. Like if you're on a bicycle, you can be in slow motion, la la la. But if you apply more force, you'll be like, bhago, 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 like that. It can speed up and also it can slow down the object. Like when you're in a swing, if somebody helps you to hold it, थोड़ा speed कम भी हो जाएगा. Understood everybody? याद आया बच्चों? Yes. What is force? Force is something which can bring change in the motion. Okay, change in motion of object. Right? Change in motion, ये याद रखना. After that, push, pull and hit. And there are 6 effects of force. These are the 6 effects of force. Done, done, done. पक्का चिंकी मंकी promise clear है? कौन सा promise करोगे? चलो LP in the chat box. लबीबी promise. अगर मेरा लबीबी को कुछ हो गया ना, देख लेना. LP if it is clear. पक्का मेरा लबीबी. Labbibi promise. Done? Okay then. Ready for the quiz question? I have one question, but थोड़ा difficult question. ठीक है? Again, it's all achievers level question, but I'll help you here. Question देख के reaction दे दो पहले. Yes. What is the reaction after looking at the question? बहुत बड़ा question है, and images are also there. What is the reaction? Harsha, Daksh, Devansh, Nitya, Devanshi. What is the reaction after looking at this question? Honest reaction. Daksh को देखो. Okay. Devansh is like, but easy hai guys, बहुत easy question. I'll help you. Mahi, Sanaya, Dhanashri, Urvashi, Asma, reaction after looking at the question. क्या reaction है? Sanaya, ये क्या reaction होता है? सही से reaction दे दो. I will not talk. I will not talk in between the class. You give me the reaction. Mahi is eating pen. Urvashi is like this. Sanaya is sad. चलो, I'll help you. Now everybody, focus here. पहले सुनो. उसके बाद बहुत easy होगा, ठीक है? Study the given figure carefully. Look at the figure carefully. It will be the toughest to lift the rock when force is applied at the X. Okay, पहले मैं आपको drawing करके दिखा दूंगी. ये देखो. This is a drawing we have. Like they are using a lever. Okay, and one side there is a rock. Okay, you have to lift this rock. तो क्या करोगे? On the opposite side you have to apply the force. This part is clear, बच्चों. If you want to lift this rock, on the opposite side, you have to apply the force. ये तो clear है, right? Now there are 4 options here. One is here. You have to apply force here. This is A point. This is B point. This is C point. This is D point. 4 points are there where you can apply the force, right? A पे apply कर सकते हो, B, C and D. Now they have asked us, correct the option आपको select करना है. You have to tell me which one will be the toughest, right? Easy कौन सा रहेगा, tough कौन सा रहेगा? Like for example, just imagine. Now, very important part ये देखो. I am here, okay? Now, at what point it will be easy for me to lift the rock? अगर मैं A पे press करूंगी, then lift हो जाएगा. या B पे press करूंगी, C पे और D पे. Which one will be the easiest one? Which one will be the difficult one? Okay, you guys understood the question? This is how it is. I'm explaining it once again. This is the point. एक side rock है, ठीक है? Now I will demonstrate. You will get the answer here. This is A, B, C and D. A में मुझे थोड़ा difficult लग रहा है, देखो, right? Because it is near to the fulcrum. But D देखो. Can you see this? That's how it. Understood the question, guys? समझ आया? You understood what is the question asking here? You have to tell me which point will be difficult, which point will be easy to move the rock. Okay? I hope it is clear. All the very best. Which is the correct answer? So options are, option A, they are telling A will be difficult, B will be easy. Okay, option B, they are telling D will be difficult, A will be easy. Option C, they are telling C will be difficult, B will be easy. And option D, B will be difficult, C will be easy. I hope it is clear. ये difficult row है, ये easy row है. Think and answer, guys. आराम से, कोई बात नहीं, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ. आराम से answer करो. Which point will be easy to lift? Which point will be difficult to lift? इतना ही बताना है आपको. And just a second, guys. Somebody is talking here, so it should not disturb you. If you're getting disturbed, do let me know. Very good, guys. Very good accuracy. Super.